Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with a quick and easy recipe. Today we will make jowar cookies. These cookies are very healthy and delicious. So let's begin quickly. First, let's take a mixing bowl. Here I have taken 1 cup of grated fresh coconut. Usually others tend to use dry coconut, but fresh coconut has a unique taste and tropical freshness. Next add 1 cup of jowar flour or sorghum flour. Jowar flour is gluten free and extremely healthy. It is a best option for weight loss too. Now add 1 teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt, half teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 3 tablespoon ghee. Instead of ghee, you can also use virgin coconut oil for vegan cookies. Now add half cup of softened jaggery. If you have normal jaggery, you can grind it once in a mixie and add in this mixture. It is important for the jaggery to be soft as we can mix better. Let's give it a very good mix. Jaggery and coconut together tastes immensely well. You can also see we used no water or milk. I have listed down all the ingredients with their quantity below in the description box. You can refer it. Our mixture is ready. Here I have taken a baking tray. Let's grease it with ghee. Now let's shape the mixture into cookies. You can give it your desired shape. Similarly, I have greased this tray too. Make the cookies. This tray will go in cooker. All the cookies are ready to get baked in a preheated oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now, let's bake the cookies for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius in the preheated oven. Next, here I had preheated the cooker as well for 10 minutes. I have added 1 cup salt which I used many times to bake. Place a ring or a bowl. Place the tray on it. I have removed the gasket and whistle and covered the cooker. Bake it for 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame. After 15 minutes, let's check. You can see they have baked well. It has got a wonderful golden brown color. You can see the cracks too. These are the sign of well-baked cookies. These are easily being separated after they are cooled. It is well baked from all the sides. Let me show you from in. Similarly, after 15 minutes, let's check in cooker. These two are well baked. You can see in cooker too, the cookies have come out extremely well. Both our cookies are wonderful. Our crunchy cookies are ready. Let's offer it to Lord Krishna by placing a tulsi leaf. Healthy and tasty jowar cookies are offered and ready. For more such sattvic recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below. For watching my recipes in Hindi, search for Govinda's Cuisine and subscribe my channel. Always chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and be happy.